In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Exodus Wallet to your bank account and what's actually possible. First, it's important to know that Exodus is a non-custodial crypto wallet, which means it cannot send money directly to your bank. There's no Withdraw to Bank button inside Exodus. To cash out, you need to move your crypto from Exodus to a centralized exchange or cash out service that supports bank withdrawals in your country. Here's how the process works. Open Exodus. Choose the coin you want to cash out, like BTC, ETH, or USDT, and check your balance. Then, on your chosen exchange, create and verify an account, go to Deposit Arrow Crypto, select the same coin, and copy the deposit address. Make sure the coin and network match exactly. Go back to Exodus, tap Send on that coin, paste the exchange deposit address, enter the amount you want to cash out, and confirm the transaction. After the transfer is confirmed on the blockchain, the crypto will appear in your exchange wallet. Next, on the exchange, sell that crypto for fiat like USD or EUR. Once sold, your balance will be in cash. Finally, go to Withdraw/Cash Out. Add your bank account, enter the amount, check the fees and processing time, and confirm. The exchange will send the money to your bank. So you can withdraw to a bank, but only by using Exodus together with an exchange or cash out service. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.